get it a few minutes.
Seconds.
It takes about a minute.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think it's getting it. This goes like a launch. Wow.
But they are going to get wet over there.
Oh, it's a waterfall, maybe.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Really hot water. So we're not going to go. Can you hear it? Oh, I bet the river water will change temperature soon, no?
Yes,
From all this.
as well as you can see.
Look at all that hot water. Yeah, that's true. But they might go up a couple degrees. It's like 70. Oh, yeah, it is. That's awesome.
Oh, look at
What's
it.
that now?
Oh, it was 73 before, and now it's 77. So that's 6 days.
Watch the geyser.
Look at all that water going into the air, can you? Can you hear it? I just looked it up. How did that hear about it?
Now, you, as long as you watch. We had a great spot there.
People down here can make
I'm good.
mist.
I feel like the mist, yeah.
Yeah, we were right there, but then it was going to be 10 minutes away, and we in the perfect spot.
Yep.
The other one looked like you're trying to jump. Watching. Because you're not allowed to go
Seeing that on my iPhone, just seeing that just seeing like that little thing shooting up and then seeing this big one.
And that steam is going to come here.
Coming this way.
It's going to make us
So it may not, like I said, may not. For some reason it's having a hard time focusing.
Maybe because of the mist.
Yeah, so what I've done, I have little focal points and I put it on a little cone. Wow.
Smell it right.
Then they're all going to be red. It's all like
That just pushes straight up.
yeah, over there. But
Feel the mist.
now you feel it, yeah.
You can see all the water running down.
Are you in a movie? Are you in an Avengers movie or something? What are you in? In your own little world, what's happening in your own little world? So it's
3 minutes. Is that the noisiest one, Patsy? This is one of the biggest ones in the world.
What is it?
The man in the fishing shirt told us that when he told us today. Look back over there. Stand up.
There you go.
It's getting smaller everywhere. We used to in this area.
Of course, the biggest could be used in two different ways.
So you have to wait.
Go the highest, and the other would be the largest size in the water.
Geyser as big as this, but it lasts 12 months, which is.
It's funny, the little...
You got one over there that lasts 12 minutes.
Yeah, but like I said, they don't really erupt often enough for you to see it.
Compared to this, which erupts out completely.
This one erupt every day, and Old Faithful erupt probably basically 12 times a day if you do it every 2 hours. You're bound to see those when you come. The rest of them, you just have to get lucky to be here today that it's scheduled to erupt and know about it.
See, it's playing down now. It's mostly just steam.
Yeah, it's slowly just dying down now.
Is that the one next to it died down altogether?
She made a new friend.
That's what I told her. Got a new friend.
like I said, we've been here 3 times, you know, and never seen all fish. All faithful.
Was steht das denn?
Glad you got this.
Thank you very much.
Travel safely.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Because I heard the lady say, Houston, oh, Houston. I'm like, oh, she got me talking to David. You can see the people on top of the thing over there trying to get him a look.